In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your WordPress site private. This is a handy feature when you're working on creating content or need to rework your site without letting the public see unfinished pages. Let's dive in and get started. Firstly, you'll want to make your way over to your WordPress dashboard. This is your main control room where you manage all aspects of your site, from posts and pages to themes and settings. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the familiar dashboard screen. From here, look to the left-hand side of your screen. That's where the main navigation menu resides. Within this menu, you'll see several options, including the Settings tab. Go ahead and click on Settings. You'll notice that a list of subsections appears, giving you further options to refine how your website operates. Among these, you'll want to find Reading. Clicking on Reading will take you to a new page with several options related to how your content is presented and accessed. Now look for the section labeled Site Visibility. This section is crucial because it determines who can see your site and who cannot. Here, you will see several options that allow you to choose the visibility level of your website. To make your site private, you'll need to select the option that specifies privacy. Sometimes, this might be labeled as Discourage search engines from indexing this site, and there might be a checkbox alongside it. But the specific option indicating privacy will be the one you need. Click on the choice that indicates you want your content kept private, away from public view. Once you've made that selection, don't forget the last but vital step, saving your changes. Scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see the Save Changes button. Click on that and voila, your site should now be private. Congratulations! You've successfully adjusted your WordPress site settings to ensure privacy. This simple change allows you to maintain creativity and develop content without having to worry about an audience seeing your drafts or changes. It can also provide a layer of security while you make updates or troubleshoot your site. And there you have it. Your digital space is now restricted from public view, offering you the opportunity to work freely. Remember, should you wish to make your site public again in the future, you can easily revert these settings by following the same steps and selecting the appropriate public option. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tutorials for all your website design and management needs. Until next time, happy creating!